What is going on, my beautiful yolks and egglings? I have recovered from the depression that was the last pack opening, and I got 3 for you today, and hopefully I can pull some heat, lock in. Twilight Masquerade was a fun set. I still need the Greninja, I believe. There's a code card for you. One from the back, and let's see what we can get. We got Steel, Corphish, Grookey, Finizen, Chiyu, Lucky Helmet, Mightyena, Frostlass, ooh, and an Illustrator Rare, Ursaluna EX. That's a very pretty card. Nice. Next up, we got Stellar Crown. We're already doing a lot better than the last pack opening. Here is the code card. One from the back. We got Fighting Energy. Pawmi. Pawmi's one of my favorites. He's adorable. Fletchling. Meryl. Gossifleur. Driflim. Gravity Gemstone. Koryodon. Pancham. And Alakreamy. Still no rainbow turtles from that set, but we will do the Surging Sparks. This is another one of my favorite sets from Scarlet and Violet. Maybe we'll get the Pikachu. There's the code card. One from the back, and let's lock in. Got Leaf, Larvesta, Delmise, is that Cetan, Shroodle, Magnezone, Goldingo, Duskball, Tauros, Gouging Fire, and a holographic Gastrodon. Man, this card is pretty. If you want to see more pack openings, comment, like, and follow. And thank you for stopping by.